Hi everyone, it's Janis here with a new episode to help you build better daily structure and be in control of your life. Our lives go through the stages and periods of higher and lower energy levels, and sometimes it can become really annoying, like when you wake up in the morning and already feel tired. This can sometimes last for weeks and even months. Luckily, there are some strategies that can help you to break out from this cycle. So today, we'll take a look at some main reasons why you always feel low on energy and what you can do to get back on the track. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Also, check out my free productivity resources that has helped thousands of people to set better goals, make better decisions, and build solid structure in their life. Important thing to remember is that if you don't do anything about breaking out from this always feeling tired cycle, then nothing is going to change. And longer you stay in there, the harder it will be to get out, because it will become almost like a habit that you live with every day. So let's take a look at some of the most likely reasons that are keeping you stuck and what you can do to break out. Number 1, you have lost your goal. One of the reasons that could relate to your sense of always feeling tired is the fact that you have lost a future vision or goal. This has happened to me multiple times, so I can share my personal experience on how it started and how it went. A few years ago, when I was working on one of my mobile games, I hit the setback. The game development became stagnant and I lost one of the lead developers. Suddenly, everything stopped and I was not sure what my goal was and where should I take the game development. The development was frozen completely and I was tired every day from doing nothing. This lasted for weeks until I broke out of it. I started with looking at my goal and what I wanted my game to look like. Once I clarified my goal, the things started to move in the right direction and I was able to make some progress. So take a good look at your current goals, and if you don't have a crystal clear goal, then you know what you have to do. Number 2, change in your life. Sometimes there is a change in our life that disrupts our typical routines, and that can throw us out of the normal pattern. It will most likely affect our productivity, but sometimes it can even cause more serious consequences and get us stuck. The key here is adaptability. Ability to react to the changing environment and circumstances to maintain previous performance and productivity. So if you have recently gone through some change, then that might be the reason why you're feeling stuck. To fix this, you have to rebuild your routines so that they match your current circumstances, and that will help you to get moving. These are morning, evening, and exercise routines. Number 3, are you doing the wrong things? Are you doing the things on an everyday basis that are in line with your future goals that you're trying to achieve? Because if you don't, then you'll be always struggling with making progress. If you do the job that you don't like, or if you work on a project that you don't believe in, then you'll find it hard to motivate yourself. A few years back, I was creating content for freelancers, but after doing that for a few months, I found myself stuck. Just thinking about the work caused my energy levels to drop and I had zero motivation to keep going, so I decided to change my focus. I stopped creating content for freelancers and my energy levels instantly returned. So be sure that you work on the things that are in line with your goals. Number 4, lose some weight. When I was working towards my fitness goals, it required me to put on some weight in order to gain the muscle. With extra weight came change, and it felt that any movement like walking and running was taking a double amount of energy from me. So here is another thing that you can address if you currently have some extra weight. The easiest way to lose weight is through the diet. Reduce your carb and sugar consumption and you'll be surprised how fast you can actually lose the weight and increase your energy levels. Number 5, you have too many things going on in your life. As humans, we love challenges, and more often than not, we like to take on more projects that we can physically handle. Usually, it goes something like this. You start a few new projects at the same time. You feel excited because you think about how great it will feel to complete them. Then, 3 weeks later, all you see is endless work and you're not even making any progress. At this point, you start to feel stressed and overwhelmed. You start to feel tired and progress stops completely because you have too many things that you're trying to do at the same time. To fix it, you have to pause and look at how many different projects and goals you're currently working on, and then select one thing that you want to get done. Put everything else on side and focus on that one thing. You'll be surprised how much progress you can make in just few days. Number 6, get the basics right. We just covered some of the reasons why you might feel tired all the time, and it would be the shame not to cover the energy basics. Sometimes it's not about finding the secret strategy that will help you to fix the problem, but it's about getting the basics right. This means getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, and exercising consistently to maintain high energy levels. Number 7, get some accountability. Sometimes we don't have the inner strength that is needed to get ourselves up and running, so you might need to use a different strategy. This means looking at the push externally, and you can do that if you hire yourself a coach who can help you. Want to get in shape? Get a personal trainer. Can't move forward with your projects? Hire an accountability coach. There are people out there who can help you to achieve the things that you want. So don't wait for anything, but instead take advantage of it. I hope you found this video useful and you'll be able not only to get your energy levels back, but also make sure that you don't fall in this trap in the future. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message. If you want to learn how to set better goals, make better decisions, and build solid structure in your life, then check out my free Productivity Mastermind course to take your productivity to the next level. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos.